In the previous class, we studied the difference between plant cell and animal cell with slideshow. Now in this class, clearly I am going to explain how the plant cell differs from the animal cell. Before that, I said the cell may be unicellular or multicellular. So the organisms which is had only one cell, then it is called unicellular. The organisms made up of more number of cells, they are called multicellular. So based on the number of cells, we can differentiate the organism as unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organisms have only one cell. Example, that is Paramecium. This is unicellular organism. So complete a single cell responsible for all physiological functions. In the same way, so amoeba, even this is a unicellular organism which perform all physiological activities within a cell. And you all very well know that amoeba has a movement by pseudopodia. So just throwing apart a portion of the body forward direction, and by the help of pseudopodia it moves from one place to the other place. And how amoeba capture the food? If there is a food here, the pseudopodia, it completely covers the food, and inside it forms a food vacuum, and inside the organism it releases an enzyme called amylase. Amylase digests the food within the amoeba, and then for different physiological activities it uses the energy, and rest of the waste material it just leave and move forward. This is how the physiological activities takes place in unicellular organism. And in multicellular organism, how the function takes place? By different systems, that is respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, circulatory system, transport system. So like this, in multicellular organism, we can find different kinds of organs, different kinds of systems which perform different activities together for multicellular organism. And now, how the cell divide? When it comes to multicellular or unicellular organism, they divide. Unicellular organism divides to form more number of organisms. It increases the organisms by division. How the single cell divide? By binary fission, by multiple fission. It may be in 2 in number, it may be more in number, hence the population goes on increasing. How the division takes place in multicellular organism? In the multicellular organism, the division takes place by 2 types, that is mitosis and meiosis. Cell division takes place by mitosis and meiosis. This is the model of mitosis. Where did the mitosis takes place? The mitosis takes place in all vegetative cells. So, what is the result of mitosis? As a result of mitosis, we can see only the formation of 2 cells. One cell divides into 2 cells. Now, how the mitosis takes place? Very simple. The preparation stage, that is interphase, and then enters into prophase, enters into metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So 4 stages. As a result, it gives 2 daughter cells. This about the mitosis takes place in all vegetative cells, like in the hair, in the nails, in the skin, everywhere. This is the mitosis. And next is how organism gives rise to the new generation organisms. Now human beings give rise to human beings. Mango tree, the seed gives rise to mango tree only, not guava, right? So how this can be possible? This can be possible by the meiosis. Meiosis takes place in reproductive cells. Meiosis is very essential to continue the progeny. To continue the progeny in the sense from one generation to another generation. The parents gives rise to young ones. This is possible by the meiosis. And how this takes place in human body? So, in the human body, a female produces egg, that is by meiosis. The male produces sperm, that is also meiosis. When these two fuses, it forms zygote. And this zygote develops into new organism. So this is possible only by meiosis. Like this, the cells undergo division by two methods, that is mitosis and meiosis. Now, let me know more information about the plant cell and animal cell. The plant cell is entirely different from animal cell. How it is entirely different from animal cell? This is the model of plant cell. As the view, it is a rod shape and it is having cell wall, large size vacuole and mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus. Within the nucleus there is nucleolus and very large vacuole. What is specialty of the plant cell? They have chloroplast. They have chloroplast for photosynthesis. And this chloroplast is absent in animal cell. This cell wall is absent in animal cell. So this is about the structure of plant cell. And this is animal cell. Animal cell has nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, and here very close to the nucleus there will be a pair of centrioles, and centrioles is absent in plant cell, and this is round in shape. Do you find any vacuole here as you find in the plant cell? No. The vacuoles may present or may absent. If at all if they present, very small in size, and centrioles is restricted to the animal cell. And do you find any wall here, cell wall like in the plant cell? No. There is no cell wall in the animal cell. So this about the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell has cell wall, animal cell doesn't have cell wall. Both the cells have nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi complex, ribosomes. These are common for both the cells. And where all these cell organelles are present? The cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm. And even you can find one more difference. The nucleus in the animal cell is at the center. In the plant cell it is towards side. Why? Clearly you can see that presence of large vacuole. Large vacuole pushes the nucleus towards the wall. This is about the basic difference between plant cell and animal cell. Now clearly let me study about the cell organelles.